Hi, Namaste. I am Rajendra Prasad, CEO SG Ayurveda. My friends, many of them are calling and asking, is there anything that Ayurveda can contribute in this pandemic situation? Dear friends, as we are seeing and witnessing so much of panic situation, even allopathic hospitals are full and death rate is going up day by day. And seeing all this, we should also feel that the present system of medicine, either it is Ayurveda or Siddha, Unani, Homeo or allopathy, whatever it is, in single-handedly cannot manage all the complications that are arising from COVID. There are multiple reasons that can be debated later. So, coming to the point, what Ayurveda can contribute at these times? From the very beginning, from the previous year, the first lockdown or maybe the first session of COVID, the Ayurvedic doctors were not given a big opportunity to treat the cases, as it was seen as only to be managed by the government doctors or allopathic doctors who are being recognized, who are being trained in the protocols of managing the cases. But whereas the second wave of this virus, most of the Ayurvedic doctors have geared up for treating this, and I have come across discussing with many of my friends, and more than 50 people I have interacted, and I have found that there are effective results that has been satisfactorily they are treating patients. Wherein government of Tamil Nadu also has given a lot of encouragement, and we have seen so many COVID treatment centers are being promoted nowadays in Tamil Nadu by the corporations, state government, private sector. Apart from the medicines that are being sold like Clavera, which has been a hot cake of in the management of COVID, people are very much fond of it and buying it. So when there is a result or then there is a buzz, people don't know whether it is Ayurveda or allopathy, because it has been popularized like effective medicine for COVID. The huge sales are being reported every day. There is another drug formula also has come out from phytochemicals, phytopharma, Immunor or something like that, which is also basically from Chennai. So the Apex Laboratories has come out with Clavera. Phytopharmaceuticals also has come out with their product. The phytopharmaceutical product, they claim it is not only for COVID but for all viral infections. So there is another program by innovative professionals I have come across is Beat the Virus, BTV. So a good kind of efforts are being initiated in this field also. Wherein most important thing with Ayurvedic professionals, I have seen that they are able to minimize the risks. So the major part of our contribution to this COVID management is minimizing the risk factors. Like people, if you are started treating with Ayurvedic medicines, the chances of going towards the oxygen requirements are very less. That's how we have come across. And also, to my knowledge, wherever I have chances to interact, I have also been found people who are working with cow sheds, like people who are working with cows and cleaning cows, cow dung and urine, cow's urine removal, and most of these people have not been infected. And no single case directly, to my knowledge, I have interacted with more than 30 to 40 people, families. They have never infected due to this virus. So it has a natural immunity that it is providing, that they are able to resist and survive. Then the most important part is that though certain people, we argue that allopathy is like that, allopathic doctors come and say that Ayurveda is like this. Keep it apart. There are some neutral players. So just take SRM College. Is an SRM Ramachandra Mission is one of the biggest institutions in South India. Their allopathic medical college, SRM Medical College Hospital, they have allocated 100 beds for Ayurveda to treat COVID cases. So the people are started believing it, whether it is allopathic people or Ayurvedic people. We cannot segregate now. It is a recognition now that the Ayurvedic ingredients which are being used for these formulas are showing effective results. Ayush Kudineer or Ayush 64, a product by Government of India, Kafasura Kudineer by Siddha combination is effectively being used, and there is a lot of patients who after use Kafasura Kudineer is very effective in initial days, wherein if you find people who are just infected, you start using it, there is a good results. This is one scenario which we are treating COVID cases. Leave it this. Apart from where we are able to contribute more, in many cases in my observation, post-COVID, like people after being negative, they have come back and they have encountered with n number of side effects, and many people died post-COVID after being negative with suffocations and oxygen troubles or a lot of other complications, where the government or the private hospitals cannot contribute anything now because their hospitals are full. They don't have a single bed or a doctor or a nurse free to think about this. Just think situation. It is not that as you look like that COVID management is happening only in the hospital. Post-COVID management is rehabilitation is most important thing today we need to think about. Ayurvedic field can contribute excellently towards this management, where I request all the people to also seek help from your Ayurvedic doctors, wherein as Ayurvedic doctors also can think about this and come out with an excellent plans to reach out to the people and make sure that COVID management is not just ends at the negative report. COVID management ends with full healthy person. When a person becomes fully healthy, there it ends. And by this formula, like we are making a formulation of activities, we can bring his body rejuvenated or more immunity developed in his body or a positiveness in his body to fight not only this COVID. There can be any other small illnesses that can occur in coming days or coming months or in a year or 2 years time. We can resist. So think our possibilities, think our area of work that we can contribute, and try to establish it and try to make sure that the benefits reaches to the people, and we can be part of this COVID management, not alone treating the patients at the hospital, but post-COVID also Ayurveda hospitals, Ayurvedic doctors can play a major role. Thank you. Thank you very much.
SG Ayurveda Hospital, Periyanaikapalayam, Coimbatore.